Hold on a minute, summer might be over, but the fun isn't. So let's have a look what we've got going on at Excel Church. Have a look at this. Did you know that GeForce and 180 are now back in the building? So on Friday nights, you can join us if you're a primary school child or if you're a high school student. GeForce is happening at 6:30 in this building and 180 will be happening at 8:15 p.m. Make sure you're there so you don't miss out.
Swimming in the deep end, just make it to the weekend. Wake up, do it all again.
Our Next Level Bible School is happening back in the building. So we've got our first session of the year happening this Saturday from 10 till 12 and it's 2 sessions with back to back with refreshments in between. So make sure you sign up to let us know you're coming. Oh, did you know prayer and Bible studies are back in the building as well? So you can join us on the 2nd and 4th Wednesday of every month at 7:30 here at church. And we're going to be kicking it off with a new series on the life of Joseph.
But 2020 was a letdown. At least that's what they're saying now. Tough year, but it's alright.
Everyone loves coffee and cake. In fact, it's actually part of our partnership policy that everyone at Excel Church likes coffee and cake. Just kidding. No, I'm not. But on the 25th of September from 11:30 till 2, we're having a Macmillan coffee morning where you can join us during that time to raise some funds for this awesome charity and the awesome cause. So why not join us for some coffee and cake and help us raise some money for Macmillan? Our next Leadership Development Night is happening on the final Wednesday in September at 7:30 and we'll have guest speaker David Lawrence joining us for that. So make sure you sign up on our website to let us know you're coming. One thing that is staying online for now is our Thursday morning prayer meeting. So if you'd like to join us for that, that's Thursdays at 10 a.m. on Zoom. So if you'd like to join us, you can sign up on our website to get the Zoom link. Ladies, this one's for you. Make sure you're booked in for our Devoted Conference because it's happening in less than a month. Can you believe it? We're going to be joined with guest speaker Joe Hargreaves from Alive Church, who's going to be chatting with us for that day. So make sure you get booked in, sign up online for an exciting day together with inspiration and encouragement. We'll see you there. So that's all for Excel News, but make sure you join us on Wednesday and be sure to book in for next Sunday's service where we've got 6 people being baptised. Have a great week, guys. Where's the door?